welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 13th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is conditionals, right? So इस chapter में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं about the conditionals. So let's see कि what are these conditionals और कैसे हम इन्हें जान सकते हैं. So first of all, talking about conditionals, let us know what are they. Read the following sentences. तो जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं. If you study hard, you will pass your exams. You will pass your exams if you study hard. Correct? So, conditionals describe the result of a certain condition. तो ये जो conditionals हैं ये actually एक result को describe करते हैं जो कि एक certain condition के लिए होता है. The if clause tells you the condition if you study hard, and the main clause tells you the result you will pass your exams. तो जो if clause है वो हमें conditions के बारे में बताता है, if you study hard, right? और जो main clause है वो हमें result के बारे में बताता है जो कि है you will pass your exams. Correct? The order of the classes does not change the meaning. जो clauses का जो order होता है अगर वो change हो भी जाए, right? तो भी sentence का meaning नहीं बदलता है. Correct? Now, moving ahead, we have the kinds of conditionals. अब 4 kinds यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं conditionals के. What are they? It is zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and the third conditional. Correct? So, let's talk about the zero conditional over here. So, zero conditional की कैसे बात की जा रही है? Zero conditional is used when we talk about facts which are generally or scientifically true. कि zero conditional use किया जाता है जब हम बात करें facts के बारे में जो कि generally या फिर scientifically सच होते हैं. The condition always yields the same result. कि जो condition होती है वो हमेशा ही same result को मानती है. In zero conditional, both the clauses are in simple present. कि zero conditional में दोनों ही clauses simple present tense में होते हैं. Let's have a look on the examples now for better understanding. If I drink too much coffee, I can't sleep at night. So, we can see that both these sentences are in the simple present, right? Next one, if you heat ice, it melts. Again, both these sentences are in the simple present. The next one, if you are in America, you obey American laws. So, this is the simple present, and again, the second one is also the simple present. Right? Moving ahead. Now we are talking about the first conditionals. So we have first conditionals क्या है? Let's see. First conditional shows a possible situation that can occur in the future and its probable result. Right? तो जो first conditional है वो एक possible situation दिखाता है that can occur in the future, जो कि future में हो सकती है, and its probable result, और उसके शायद probable result यानी कि जो भी उस situation को लेकर possible result हो सकता है उसके बारे में भी बता सकता है. The conditional clause is in simple present tense. कि जो conditional clause है वो simple present tense में होता है और जो main clause है वो simple future tense में होता है. Right? That is will or won't plus verb. Correct? Now let us have a look on the examples. If it rains, if it rains, we will cancel the trip. Again, the first one is in the simple present, but the second one is in will or won't plus verb, that is in the simple future tense. Next, if you study, you will pass the exam. तो पहला क्लॉज सिंपल प्रेजेंट और दूसरा सिंपल फ्यूचर. Next, we won't go for a picnic if the weather is bad. So, again, the first one is in the simple future and the next one is in the simple present. If it rains, I will have tea. Again, the first part is in the simple present and the second one is in the future, right? Next, let's talk about the second conditional. तो अब अगर बात की जाए second conditional के बारे में, so just the second conditional talks about hypothetical or unlikely situations and their probable outcomes. तो second conditional talks जो है hypothetical या फिर unlikely situations, यानी कि जो normal situations नहीं होती हैं and their probable outcomes, और फिर उनके जो probability होती है उनके results की कि क्या हो सकता है, right? The second conditional is formed by the use of simple past tense and the if clause followed by a would plus verb base form in the main clause, right? तो जो second conditional है उसके जो फॉर्मेशन है वो यही है कि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस और जो इफ क्लॉज है वो फॉलो किया जाता है वुड प्लस बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब मेन क्लॉज में, राइट? सो लेट अस हैव अ लुक ऑन द एग्जांपल्स. इफ आई वन द लॉटरी आई वुड ट्रैवल अ लॉट, राइट? तो यहाँ जो पहला सेंटेंस है वो पास्ट में है और जो सेकंड वाला है वो है would verb, right? Next, if they sold their house, they would be rich. The third one, if wishes were horses, beggars would ride, right? Now, moving ahead to the third conditionals, right? So, the third conditional is used when we have an unreal past condition and an imaginary result that may have occurred in the past, right? तो जो थर्ड कंडीशनल है वो यूज़ किया जाता है जब हमारे पास एक अनरियल पास्ट कंडीशन हो और एक इमेजिनरी रिजल्ट दैट मे हैव अकर्ड इन द पास्ट, राइट? द थर्ड कंडीशनल is formed by the use of past perfect tense in the if clause followed by would have plus the past participle in the main clause. Correct? तो third conditional की जो formation होती है वो यही होती है कि past perfect tense हो और if clause के साथ would have और past participle form हम follow करें. So examples are, if you had studied, you would have passed the exam. If I hadn't been sick, I would have gone to your party. If he had known about her illness, he would have definitely met her. If you had listened to your mother, you would not have landed in trouble, right? Next, a wrap-up table. अब हमारे पास एक wrap-up table है. Let's see. So it is chance of occurrence, right? Conditional, example, the timeline for condition and the timeline for probable result, right? So, chance of occurrence जहाँ 100% होता है तो वो बन जाता है 0 conditional, So it is, if you freeze water, it turns solid. Timeline condition है anytime, right? और probable result anytime. Clear? Next, जब chance हो जाता है 50%, तो it becomes the first conditional. Example, if the weather is nice, I will go for shopping. Timeline, present या फिर future. और result उसका future नहीं आएगा obviously, right? Next, 10% जब chances होते हैं तो ये बन जाता है second conditional. So it says, if I had a lot of money, I would buy a huge bungalow. Right? Timeline for condition है past और timeline for probable result है future. Correct? Next, the last one, when the chances are 0%, it becomes the third conditional. And the examples, if I hadn't thrown the banana peel on the floor, I wouldn't have slipped. Right? The timeline for condition है past or timeline for probable result is also the past. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the conditionals, right? And you'll be easily able to convert them. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.